Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace or clean the filter on MOVA V50 Ultra. In order to replace or clean the filter, you should open the lid on the top of the robot. That should be performed every 2 months, but it may also need to be replaced every 150 hours of use in total. You will be notified about it in the app. Later on I'll show you how to check the accessory usage levels, so you can check how long until the replacement, but it should also be cleaned. Let's get into that. Remove the dust bin like so, and then you'll find the filter. You can remove it by pulling on this notch, then empty the dust bin, and you can rinse the dust bin with water. Then do the same with the filter. You can rinse it with clean water, lukewarm water, and then let both of these parts air dry for at least 24 hours before you put them back into your robot to prevent mold. Now you can put the filter back on, or a new filter on, and then put the dust bin inside. Now close the lid and I'll show you how to check in the app how much time before replacement you have, so you'll know whether to maybe order a new filter. So as you can see in the MOVA app, when I click on 3 dots in the top right corner, I can scroll down to accessory usage, then I'll find the filter. You can see in my case it's 150 hours remaining. Once you replace it, you need to click on reset filter in order to let the robot know that the filter was already replaced. So it will reset the counter of the time, so you have 150 hours until replacement again. And that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.